welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to delete Amazon order history. First of all, can you fully delete your orders? No, you cannot permanently delete orders history from your Amazon account because Amazon keeps all the records for security and legal reasons as well. But you can hide them if you want to. So if you go to your Amazon.com account, and if you go, as example, to your return orders at the top right corner, just go and click on that. Here you should basically find all the orders that you have. Of course, if you didn't find the orders on the past 3 months, you can choose any year that you want, and also archive orders. So for you, just go and locate the order that you want, and basically to hide them, you'll be able to archive them. So go and click on the order that you want, and you'll find an archive order button. Just go and click on it and confirm it, and it will be hidden. So can you delete orders? No, you cannot, but you'll be able to hide them or basically archive them. And again, you'll be able to see them using this filter, archived orders. And here you'll be able to see all the archived orders. But as you can see in here, starting from April 30 or 30th, which is a date that is past already, you will no longer be able to archive orders. So you can just use Amazon Family to link accounts if multiple family members would like to maintain separate order history. So can you delete it? No, you cannot. You can, of course, as they say here, use Amazon Family, or as it's called again, Amazon Household, to create separate profile, or simply just clear your maybe browser history if the privacy is your goal. So yeah, that's basically should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.